Hello, good day. How are you doing, my friends? Today I would like to show us how to buy tokens and keep for a long time tokens that are very low, quite below $1. Like you can see, that's Yochi, and the price is not even in cents. It's at 0.0000. That's 6 zeros, then $7, and it's around 35% increase over the last 24 hours. So all you need to do is you go to coin market cap. You go to coin market cap. That's the market, just like Oyibo market, just like Alaba market. That's the market that actually tells you how many coins we have. Here you can see we have 13,156 cryptocurrencies as we speak, and there are 422 exchanges, and this is the total market capitalization of the cryptocurrencies in the world. That's $2.6 trillion. So people have invested $2.6 trillion in crypto. All right, so we go back to Yochi. So all you just need to do is search. There is a search button up there. That's how you search. This is it here. Once you get to coin market cap, you click on the search button, and then let me take for example, click on the search button, and then you search for Yochi, and then it brings you here. And then to get the contract address, because you need the contract address to buy the token on you need the contract address. You need a contract address to buy on the relevant market. So very quickly, this let me explain this. This is where you come to copy the contract address. Okay, and this is telling you that it's a BEP20, that's Binance or Binance Smart Chain token, and these are the relevant markets where you can buy Yochi. So you may not be looking for Yochi, you may be looking for another currency. Just come to coin market cap, and then you search for the contract address, and then you locate the market where you can buy that very coin. So for Yochi, these are the relevant markets. So you can buy on PancakeSwap, you can buy on Dodo BSC, on Hotbit. You can as well buy on Dodo BSC again, ZT. You have Hotbit Korea again, and then DEX. So those are the relevant markets you want to buy, that this coin is sold and traded on currently. So it's not on Binance, it's not on any other place except on these markets. So you copy. So once you copy, you get a notification up there, and then you go to the markets place that are listed here. So you have 9 of them. So I prefer PancakeSwap or Hotbit. Well, so many people trade on these 9 platforms, but I prefer the 2. Thank you. I'll see you on the other part of the video.